After purchasing or acquiring the Alpha wireless network adapter, you will probably notice that as you put the installation disk in, it doesn't actually include options for Windows 8, 8.1, or Windows 10. So we will go through a short tutorial here on how you can go about installing the drivers for this network adapter on Windows 10. So first we'll go through the installation process using the actual disk, just to kind of go through the process and show you what happens when you try to do it with Windows 10. So we'll select our USB device, our adapter, and the model that we have here is the top one, Windows driver, and Windows 7. Then we'll just go through this real quick. And then it says, sorry, we do not support this operating system. So, if we want to install the drivers on Windows 10, what we will have to do is open up Device Manager. And then we will find our network adapter that you should already have plugged in. And it will be labeled as the Realtek RTL8187. And you can just right click and click on Update Driver Software. And we will browse the computer manually. And then we will browse to the location where the drivers are actually located on the disk. So you're going to find the disk file, and then you're going to go under Windows driver 11G, 11G Win 7, and then RTL8187, and then just click on Windows 64, unless you're not running a 64-bit operating system, but you most likely are. So then we can just click OK. So that specifies the file path for our drivers. And then we will click the next button. And it says the best driver software for your device is already installed. That's because I previously installed it already. So we'll close that out. Now since that is finished, if you go to your networks, you should see a few wireless networks available, unless you don't have any in your area. But I'm currently connected with a Ethernet cable as well, so I'm connected to the network via Ethernet. So if we want to disable our network connection for our Ethernet, you can just go ahead and click on that, and then select Change Adapter Settings. And then this is our Wi-Fi signal for our Alpha Wi-Fi adapter. And our Ethernet connection is here. So we can just disable that. And then that's already enabled. So after you disconnect from the Ethernet, that's if you are plugged in through an Ethernet cable though. And then you can just connect to the wireless network.